Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your laptop is updated and that a fingerprint reader is present. This avoids driver surprises. Once done, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign in Options. Make sure you already have a PIN set because Windows requires it as backup. Now select Windows Hello Fingerprint and click Setup. Follow the on-screen prompt to begin scanning. You're initiating secure biometric access, which speeds logins and reduces password exposure. So proceed deliberately and place your finger naturally on the sensor. Now you'll enroll fingerprints by repeatedly placing the same finger on the sensor. Vary angle and pressure so Windows captures a full template. You should add at least 2 fingerprints, one primary, one backup, or include the same finger twice for reliability. As you scan, watch the progress indicator. If a scan fails, wipe the sensor and your finger, then try again. After enrollment, Windows stores an encrypted template locally, which is why biometric storage is secure and why you still need that PIN as a failsafe. Finish by locking the PC and testing the fingerprint at the lock screen. Restart once to ensure the sensor works after boot. If it fails, check Device Manager for biometric driver updates, reinstall the driver, then re-enroll fingerprints. Often that fixes recognition issues. If problems persist, clean the sensor and dry your finger. Cold or greasy skin impairs scans. Finally, if you have security doubts, remove enrolled fingerprints and rely on your PIN, or re-enroll for a fresh, reliable template.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.